Hello guys, today we learn how to display an image in ASP.NET Core Razor Pages using Visual Studio 2022. To implement this, you have required SQL Server 2012 and Visual Studio 2022. Our main objective is that image will be displayed through the folders and file name in the database against each employee. So for this you have required database in which a table have a records with the photo. So I have a database like Scaffold-DB, and there is one table, employee table. When you run it, so here you can see employee ID, employee name, and photo file name, that is the name of the photo which has been uploaded for the employee. This is the sample photo. So this thing will be in the database, this photo will in the folders. So you have seen that our table name employee details, and there is a column name employee ID, employee name, address, photo file name, and here is employee ID, the primary key, and identity columns. So before proceeding it, we need to open Visual Studio 2022 and install required installation of Nuget packages, 3 packages like Microsoft.entityFrameworkCore.SqlServer, Microsoft.entityframeworkcore.tools, and Microsoft.Extensions.Configuration. So this will be required to install, and the same version. After installing, we need to create a model folders, and in this folder we need to create a Scaffold-DbContext. So Scaffold-DbContext you can create from the command line of Nuget Package. Here you can see Scaffold-DbContext server name, it is your server name, initial catalog, database name, user ID and password, and TrustServerCertificate equal to true, and Microsoft.entityFrameworkCore.SqlServer, and here you can write output directory, that is the folder name models. So already you have done this steps when I have created a page to insert the data with employee name with their photo. So I have already created. Now let us see, open that Visual Studio and that application. So I have created ASP.NET Core upload photo.sln. So here you can see that our employee photo upload.html. From this page you have entered the details like employee name and photo. Now I have created it, and after that we need to create a page where we need to show the data. So for this also you can see that our folder uploads in www routes, and this is the sample dummy pictures to upload it. I need to create a page where I will show the data from the database with image from the folder. So create Razor Pages and page name Razor Pages, and click on the add buttons. Here you can put the Razor Pages name like employee details with photo, that is the Razor Pages name. Now click on the add buttons. So here your Razor Pages will be designed from. Also you can see the code behind. So before proceeding, we need to add a connection string so that it can be need to connect from database through the entity framework. So I write private read only sample-DB-context, and after that we need to create a constructor for this sample-DB-context. So I have created now. Then here we write a getter setter for the implied table, so that this virtual class will be available on this ledger package and all its property. So first we write bind property so that it can be easily bind to use the binding associated property. After that we write public virtual. Then when we created a sample-DB-context class, so our tables implied details will be there, and also it is a virtual DB set implied details. So we call this. So basically here we need to display as a list. So we write here list. Here we write like implied detail, that is the getter setter property of this class which can be binded. Then implied details and get set. So whatever property will be associated, this will bind in the ledger pages. So I have created list implied detail. After that we write like get all the list details, so equal to underscore context dot implied details to list. So that's why all the data which have a table implied details will be binded in this property implied details. And after that we need to bind ledger pages. So we write a code in for ledger pages. So go here, and already I have written a code for ledger pages. So copy this one and paste this. So here you can see there is one table T head like imply ID and imply name and imply photo. After that T head will be closing, and then I have write T body class table border, and then I have write for each loop. So all the data will be show here like where emp in model.imply photo view. So I have write here the class for which I have written. So like I have written an implied details. So you can, beside putting this, you can put here implied details, then emp id imply id imply name, and for the images I have write image tag like images source, and our images is in the folder upload. So I have write one till characters that will be find the upload folders, and here is the implied photo file name, that is the file name of the photo. Here I have written alt tag, and I have written a style maximum with 156. Now we need to run and see. So first we need to copy this one, our file name, and run these applications. So our home page is generated here. Now enter. So here you can see that our data will be displayed from database and photo from the folders. Now check it again. Now I have a page where you can upload the data like imply John and their profile photo like PNG, and now click on submit button and press F5 so that your file uploaded successfully. Now check imply voice photo. So here you can see whatever I uploaded the photo and the name, so that record will be saved in database, and here you can see also see the result. This way we can show the data from database and images from the folder with the combination of ASP.NET Core Razor pages with the in Visual Studio 2002. Uh, Let us see some code overview now. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.